Hi, I'm Charles Nwaeze from Nigeria, and I'm applying for the UN SDGs Awards 2026. As a young person from Nigeria, I've seen firsthand how climate change affects healthcare, young people, stops them from going to school, and particularly the underserved areas that are hard to reach. This has prompted me to start the UnlockBigChange Nigeria initiative, where I was able to develop an app to help health workers and people at the front line get information relating to climate and real-time information on their location and what to do to stay safe. And my app also gives a breakdown of the kind of climate-related diseases that are nearby, like the Lassa fever, dysentery, cholera, typhoid, malaria, and even of recently the COVID-19 outbreak new strains in the country. This has helped health workers in rural areas to be able to check and know how to stay safe, and also giving the users real-time information on what to do in their farms. As you can see, I'm in a farm. Here, the users have already cleaned up their farms because the Unlock Big Change app gives information in local dialects to clear your farms and prepare for the rain so they have a bountiful harvest.
Okay, so let me take you through how the app is. This is our Unlock Big Change app. So our common feature in all of Africa. So privacy policy. Yeah, so it says my name there, Charles Music for the Unlock Big Change Niger. And we give people, let them know the notification of why we need their location and camera and all that. This is the dashboard of the application where users can track the rain, have community reports on hazards, flood, maternal health like antenatal tracker and safeguarding for people and others. So here is the rain tracking. So the rain tracking here, you can see the weather is currently cloudy and the humidity is very high, and it explains for analysis. The analysis has a confidence of 95%. Most times better than meteorologic prediction and farmer advisory. Farmers, it's a good time for them to clear their farm, like you saw in the previous video. And then for community reports also, users can report fire hazards, flooding, crop failure, and even crop pollution and tag locations. So it helps security and emergency agencies to act very fast. So it's just a test run of the app where I was for it to show like, okay, you can take pictures of what's going on. And then you tag location also for accuracy. This is something that Africa doesn't really have a fast response. And that is why I built this also. So maternal health has really been a problem. People do not, due to climate change, people are having um, maternal health crisis, and over here you users are able to put in their details and able to track their antenatal schedule according to the latest WHO guideline of 2016. So it offers a lot of safety options, teaching about postpartum hemorrhage, eclampsia, sepsis, and climate and environmental risks like malaria and the others. So pregnant women are safe and able to do their things. So it gives you function in Igbo, Hausa, Yoruba, Pidgin English, and also English language. So users in underserved communities are able to read and understand what is enshrined in this app and make the best of it while also trying to stay healthy. It gives them possible complications and what to do to stay safe also. So, the Unlock Big Change Eco Health app is an app that doesn't leave anyone behind. It takes care of the farmers, takes care of the pregnant women, the gravid mothers, also takes care of the young people and everybody in society to see that we have a healthy Nigeria and a healthy Africa in the large context. So dehydration is a common thing in pregnancy and all that. We have cholera and typhoid. We have the Zika virus. A lot of things. The app also promotes health for gravid mother maternal health care to see that climate change effects on mothers is reduced also. So we have cholera, typhoid, danger signs, what to do to stay safe, and possible complications. So these people are aware of the risk and also how to maneuver it at the preliminary, primary, secondary, and tertiary stages also. So nutritional balance also for mothers. It's a whole lot of positive things here and how they can stay not anemic, how they can stay not sinus during the period of pregnancy. So the general malnutrition is a problem here because of the food safety due to climate change. So it gives them knowledge on what to do. So the AI and health alerts. So also the app gives you real-time climate alerts per your user location and user perimeter via the GPS. So this is about Lassa fever. COVID is a seasonal outbreak in Western Africa. In Nigeria, for example, there are diphtheria warnings also, polio cases. Due to climate change, there's an increase in all these pathologies. Also, typhoid and food safety alerts. And this has been one of the real problems faced by climate change, increased flooding, and a whole lot of that. So you're testing the language functions, and the app is very good in that way. Also, participating young people to register and unlock big change and do very good in the community. So everybody is carried along, and we have a great telemetry function. We the users can access the nearest our healthcare center close to them, and this function bridges the gap in access to low quality healthcare in rural area, allowing people to access telemedicine on their phone through assisted AI chat. They're able to reach out to a doctor in real time, and everybody stays healthy. Thank you.